I have way more than Emma.
Here you go. Let's go find some more eggs, Emma.
Look, you're bigger than Emma.
Crash and burn. Come on, Emma. Let's come over here. Yeah. Yeah. Do you see one, Emma?
Oh, you saw that one too over there? Is there one over there?
Put it in your basket.
But that's orange.
Good girl.
That's orange pink.
Pink's still pink. Yay.
Where's Emma's sparkly egg?
Let's go look over here, Emma. Come on. Come on. Alex, maybe you can show her where that other one is. Oh, there you go. Keep going, Emma. Oh, let's go in your playroom. Oh, there you go. Oh, what do you see?
There are only my eggs.
What do you see?
Ooh, purple!
Emma. Emma. Come here. Alex, show Emma the eggs, other eggs.
Emma!
Well, just put it up. Okay.